Imagine this. You step outside your habitat, and above you stretches an endless red sky, silent, ancient, and deadly. Every breath you take depends on walls no thicker than a few centimeters. This is Mars. And if humanity is ever going to survive here, we'll need to build something the universe has never seen before, a self-sustaining world within a world. Welcome back to Truth Files. Tonight, we're designing humanity's first real home beyond Earth. Establishing a sustainable Martian habitat isn't just a dream. It's a survival blueprint. To live on Mars means mastering everything Earth once gave us for free: air, water, warmth, and protection from space itself. But Mars is a planet that doesn't want us there. Temperatures swing from blazing sunlight to Arctic cold. The air pressure is less than 1% of Earth's. Step outside unprotected, and your blood would boil in seconds. Radiation rains down from above, and the soil beneath your feet is toxic. Every element of life has to be reinvented from scratch. Bringing building materials from Earth? Impossible. So scientists are learning to work with what Mars gives us: regolith, the fine, rust-red dust that covers its surface. Each structure isn't just a shelter, it's a shield against cosmic radiation built by the planet itself. Mars, in a way, will help us survive if we learn to use it. Energy is life. Without it, our oxygen stops flowing, our lights go dark, and Mars takes us back. Solar panels can provide power, but dust storms can last for weeks. That's why engineers are also turning to compact nuclear reactors, small, self-sustaining energy cores that can power entire colonies. The idea is simple: the sun by day, the atom by night. Together, they keep the heartbeat of Mars alive. Mars has no flowing rivers, but ice hides beneath its surface. By melting that ice and splitting its molecules, scientists can create oxygen for breathing and hydrogen for fuel. Every molecule counts. That's why future habitats will rely on closed-loop systems. Nothing leaves, nothing wasted. It's not just engineering, it's the art of survival. Technology can build walls, but it's humans who must live inside them. Isolation, low gravity, and endless red emptiness will test the limits of the human mind. Future habitats will be designed not just for safety, but for sanity. Artificial skylights that simulate Earth's sunrise. Shared greenhouses filled with color and sound. Places where humanity can still feel human. Because survival isn't only physical, it's psychological. From NASA's ISRU experiments to private missions like Mars One, progress is already underway. 3D printed domes, sealed biolabs, and robotic explorers are testing the technologies that will one day build humanity's first permanent home. And here's the astonishing part: the first sustainable Martian habitat could exist within our lifetime. When it does, it won't just mark a new era in science. It'll mark the moment humanity became a multiplanetary species. So here's the question: when that first red dome rises on Mars, would you live there? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you're fascinated by humanity's future beyond Earth, make sure to subscribe to Truth Files and turn on notifications. Because the next great chapter of human history may begin on another world. This is Truth Files, where science meets mystery.